Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C glow sheet mask. Start by cleansing your face to remove any makeup or dirt. Then, gently exfoliate to prepare your skin for maximum absorption of the mask's beneficial ingredients. Finally, pat your face dry with a clean towel, ensuring your skin is ready for the next step. Now, carefully unfold the vitamin C glow sheet mask and place it onto your face, aligning the holes for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Gently smooth out any air bubbles to ensure the mask makes full contact with your skin. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the time is up, gently remove the sheet mask. Do not rinse your face. Instead, lightly pat any remaining serum into your skin until it's fully absorbed. This ensures your skin gets all the benefits. Finish by applying your usual moisturizer to seal in the hydration and glow. For optimal results, incorporate a vitamin C glow sheet mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Remember to store your masks in a cool, dark place to preserve their effectiveness. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key for glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.